Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on network cards. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, so let's hop in. This part of our series is going to be focused on network cards. What we're going to do in this video as a whole is we're going to talk about the different types of cards that you can put into the MicroCloud. We're going to talk about the different compatible interfaces, the speeds, and then we're going to show you how to physically install both types. So let's just hop into all the good stuff. All right, so let's start with the types. So there's two types. You're going to have your normal PCIe style card that will work. Now there's only one PCIe slot, so if you need to use that slot for something else, this isn't going to work. That's the one downside, is there's only one PCIe slot. But that being said, a lot of people are just using it for the network card, and that's going to be just fine and be able to work as a whole. Now if you do need that PCIe slot for something else, there's an option. You have the MicroLP. The MicroLP, there's a little slot right above each node that is dedicated to each node, so you can put one per node, or just one per node for these as well. And technically you can put one of each in there. If you want multiple network ports, you can put in a PCIe and a MicroLP. It's not like you're limited to one or the other. You can still drop them both in there. And that being said, most of the time we go with the PCIe. Helps to keep the cost down. It's less expensive than the MicroLP. The MicroLP is specifically designed for these different types of microclouds that Supermicro has, so they're just a little bit more expensive. So when you're putting 8 of them into a system, we like to go with the PCIe. So when you come to our store and you get quotes from us, which please do give us if you're looking for one of these, an option to quote you, because we do have close to 200 of these in stock right now, and would love to earn your business and send you some different offers and quotes on these. But all that being said, most of the time we're quoting with the PCIe slot. It just makes more sense from a cost perspective. Also important to note, the enclosure itself does have 2 built-in IPMI ports. That's going to be essential for this box as a whole. When we talked about the PCIe slots, that's per node, where the 2 dedicated management ports are going to be for the entire enclosure. So what are the compatible interfaces? Well, you can use RJ45, SFP, SFP+. That's what Supermicro's spec sheet is going to show. Now, technically you can use more than that. You can use SFP28, QSFP28, QSFP56, or even old school Fiber Channel. Those are going to be all the compatible interfaces that we've tested that you can actually use. So what speeds are supported? Well, Supermicro's website is going to show you 1 gig and 10 gigabit. That's it. But we know there's more than that. You can put in 25 gigabit, you can put in 40, 50, or even up to 100. Now, I've seen some people saying 200. I personally haven't gotten to test it yet. If you have and it has worked, hey, drop a comment down below. Would love to hear that. And if you're going with Fiber Channel, you can do 16 and 32 as well. Those are going to be your different speeds. All right, up next, we're going to show you how to do the installs. So we'll show you how to install both the PCIe card and the MicroLP. But before we do, let's grab our EST gear and be right back.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install network cards into the blade of your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR MicroCloud server. As you can see, we have our MicroLP NIC here, and we also have our PCIe network card here, and a Phillips head screwdriver in case we need it. So let's go ahead and set these to the side and take a look at our blade. First, let's install our MicroLP network card. Go ahead and grab your Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew this filler bracket here in the back. Once it's unscrewed, we will set the screw to the side and remove the filler. Next, we will unscrew this screw on the board here. This screw will be used to help keep the network card secure in the MicroLP slot. So go ahead and set it to the right side of the blade, and we will lift this PCIe slot here to make room for the MicroLP network card. So go ahead and slot your network card into the MicroLP slot, making sure that the ports are flushed in the back. And then go ahead and set the PCIe slot right back down to where it was. Then you'll go ahead and take the screw that we took off of the board and secure the network card in its place. Now we will take the other screw and screw in where we unscrewed to remove the filler. And there you go. That's how you install your MicroLP network card into the MicroLP slot. Up next, we'll go ahead and show you how to install a PCIe network card. So you probably noticed that when we installed the MicroLP, this PCIe slot on the right goes up like a hinge, and that will give us plenty of room to install our PCIe network card. So let's go ahead and move this slot up to make room, and then we'll take our PCIe network card and insert it into the slot like so, making sure that the leads are lining up and the bracket is flushed in the back. Once it's installed, go ahead and bring it back down all the way like so. Congratulations, you have installed network cards into your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR MicroCloud server.
Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom built Supermicro, Gigabyte, Asus, ASRock, Dell, HPE, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.